the Samsung Galaxy S21 series hard reset. It should be treated as a last resort for troubleshooting any issues with your device. A few precautions before you begin. Perform a factory data reset only if necessary, as it removes your Google account and all data including system data, app data and media. For devices with Android device protection turned on, it's imperative Google sign-in credentials are known prior to completing a factory reset with the device powered off. If credentials are unknown, do one of the following. 1. Attempt to sign in with any Google account previously used on the device. 2. Reset the password via www.google.com/accounts/recovery website. If a pattern or PIN has ever been set up on the device, Google account sign-in is required during initial setup. If you forgot your PIN, pattern, or password for unlocking your screen, you need to erase your phone, set it up again, and set a new screen lock. Since you can't power off your device because it requires a PIN or pattern, you have to shut down the device through the side keys by pressing the volume down key and the power key simultaneously. Also, you need to connect your Galaxy S21 device to a PC using the original USB-C cable while doing the whole process. Once the phone is shut down, press and hold the volume up and side key immediately. You can release them when the Samsung Galaxy logo appears. Use the volume down key to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option and press the side key to select it. From the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Allow several seconds for the factory data reset to complete. You can also select Wipe Cache Partition. Select Yes. Allow several seconds for wiping the cache partition to complete. Select Reboot System now. Allow several minutes for the reboot process to complete. If applicable, set up your device. Fortunately, most of your content should be restored when you re-enter your Gmail information during the device setup. Make sure you know your Gmail address and password, which you'll need when setting up the phone. If you've forgotten them, use Google's website to retrieve them. Most users don't normally need to hard reset their devices frequently. However, sometimes it does become necessary to perform this procedure. It's simple enough and the steps are easy to follow. The steps work exactly the same on all Galaxy S21 series devices. If there was a Google account synced to your Samsung device, you will need to verify your account by entering the Google account, email or phone number that was previously logged on this device. Shout out to Bored Vlogger and to all my loyal viewers and subscribers. Thank you very much, see you next time.